Gimme, 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 gimme. Why that look like I was grabbing someone's balls? No, 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 no. Who is this? Hello?
Hello.
Yo!
What's up?
Wanna play?
Okay. You wanna fire up the display?
Yeah!
Alrighty.
Hello?
Yo.
Hey, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Okay, guys,
Alright.
let's get this comm game started. Let's go!
Let's go!
Alright, guys, are you ready to get this W?
Let's go, let's go, let's go. I'm ready to win. Winner, winner, chicken dinner, baby.
Whee!
One enemy remaining. Flawless.
You're not gonna say we with me, Sage?
Sorry, I thought you were talking about
Switching
the team.
sides.
Come
Oh,
with me,
no.
come with me.
Yeah,
Okay,
but you're
okay,
part of the team. Like, we're all in the team. Like, we're all in this together.
Type shit.
I thought you were saying it for like us winning, but yeah, come with me. Let's go back.
Oh, I have something for you. Maybe you and Jet could interlock. Hmm?
Oh, I'm coming. What do we interlock? I like the interlock too, so like, can we, you know?
Nice! Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Let's go!
Oh, what are you
Come
doing?
on!
You have to say we.
Let them live.
Whee!
Wee!
No matter what you say or what you do, I will run be with you. Beat these other ninjas, I'll be right by your side till 3000 if. Hold up.
Weapon here.
Okay, vocals.
Your singing is so elegant.
Thanks.
Wait, do you have an Odin skin?
I do. You want it? Thank you.
Zhalixia, how do I rizz up the baddies like you?
I think it's cause I'm a girly pop. I'm for the girls.
Dun, dun, dun. Plot twist.
Wait, so if I wanted to rizz up the baddies, do I have to be a little girl pop myself?
Did you see how I set you up earlier? I tried.
I think we're safe. Let's go.
Yeah.
Yeah, she literally gave you the alley-oop, dude, and you just didn't want it for some reason.
Yeah, I literally was the best wing woman on the planet.
Sorry, I'm
Jetty.
only a D1 prospect.
Yeah, Jed, if you're saving yourself for me, it's okay. You don't have to.
Spike planted.
Yeah, I don't want you though, sorry.
Oh, okay. I was just making sure.
Remaining.
And then this is when you say, but I feel like if I was swinging with you, it'd be worth it. That's
Yeah,
what you
but-
would say.
Yeah, but Sage, like, if I was singing it to you, it'd like be totally worth it.
There we go.
I like that shot from you. I like that shot from you. She wants you
What?
for sure.
Oh,
Say
say it again, say it again, say it again. And even smoother, say it again, say it again. You say,
Get out of my way.
Auntie, Sage, we died together.
And see,
Wait, can I get your
but
Odin?
Sage, we kind of died together, so that was kind of like couple goals, like how
Yeah,
are you?
that was like romantic.
It's like your souls intertwined just now.
Wait, I want to win low key. They keep killing me.
You
and I
wanna
just
win?
Play with them.
Just say the
Yeah.
word, Sage, and I'll win the game just for you.
Yeah, he'll win the game just for you. I trust me. I know.
Do you trust?
I think you could trust him.
Okay, okay. I trust. So that means I can play, right?
Of course.
I missed.
Just let me clear the way, and you can go on your merry
I'll
way.
protect you. I'll protect you. Go, go, go.
I'll protect you, Sage.
Okay.
Say, don't worry, I got this.
Don't worry, Sage. I got this.
I like that shot. I like that
Spike
shot.
planted. One enemy remaining.
Nice.
Let's go, Jet. That was so cool.
I was a little nervous. I was shaking because the Sage, like, Sage is like so amazing and beautiful, and like I.
Clutch.
GG.
Do you think you love her?
Win.
You think you love her yet?
Be a fight.
Aww.
Love you, Sage.
She didn't say she loves you back though, so I don't think she was feeling you.
Wait, Zhalixia, how did I do?
I think you did pretty well.
Because she added me back.
If that was me, Jen, I would never reject you.
Soy.
Down B.
Reloading.
Last player standing.
Nice move.
I'm scared.
You got this, twin.
No.
Ah, gambare, gambare.
Senpai. You gotta sing the song.
My
Oh.
ult is ready.
You don't know the
I don't
song?
know. I'm kind of nervous.
It's okay. It's okay. Confidence. Confidence. Confidence is attractive.
Oh, okay. You want me to sing it in the all chat right now?
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Here. Here.
Hey. Gambare, gambare, senpai. Gambare, 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 senpai.
Yes.
Say, did you like that? Did you like that?
Wonderful.
You're talking in the party.
No, you say that.
Wait, what?
Say that to KJ or
Sage,
Sage.
Sage, did you like that or like no?
No.
No.
Oh man.
They seem swamp.
Zhalixia, is that the uranium gravitation uranium neuroblaster?
Yeah, but I say it a little bit differently.
What do you say?
I call it the gravitational uranium neuroblaster.
Match point.
I just
I
think it sounds
just
better
said
that
that.
way.
You kind of sounded like Jimmy Neutron right there.
Really?
Ooh,
Oh, what was that for?
I'm sorry. I think I was trying something new and it just didn't work out good.
I liked it.
Gosh,
Yeah, dude, you got no game.
dude, you haven't
Okay,
taken
hold
any
on, hold on.
shots. You're like 0 for 0
Alright,
right now, and I'm
Sage,
like 1
listen
for
up.
2.
Yes.
All right, listen.
Yes, I'm listening.
You see this behind you?
Yes.
You're gonna do that to our jet, okay? Right now, right now. Let's go, let's go.
Right now.
Wait, what are we
okay,
doing
okay.
to me, guys?
You can do it, chat. I believe in you.
Wait, what?
I believe
She believes in you.
Oh my goodness. I
It's
just got
literally
like a...
just
You're
go
gonna
up
get
and
an
get it.
ace with this. Trust
Oh yeah. Just for you, Sage, I'm about to get ace.
Wall raised.
Spike down A.
Oh god.
Perfect.
Dude, they're laughing at you.
Guys,
no, no,
I thought
no,
you
no,
guys were,
no, no.
I thought you guys were my friends.
It's not laughing
Wait,
at you.
This is like top 10
I
anime
just helped
betrayals
you.
right now.
I literally just got you in.
Spike down mid. One enemy.
Z, you literally just freaking set me up for failure. Gosh, I thought you were my friend. I thought you were my
don't
compadre.
understand? You don't understand? Do you want me to explain it to you?
Yes, please. I'm lost.
Okay, so I have the sticker, like the spray, where it's Sage locking out the jet with their wall, right? So we
Yeah.
reenacted it, and that made her laugh. If you get a girl to laugh, you're in. She's not laughing at you, okay? This is
She's
not a
laughing
betrayal.
with you.
Match
Yes,
found.
I
because
wasn't
swift plays-
laughing.
Swift plays are about fun.
Alright.
If she has fun, it's a good thing.
Wait, Rizz, can I ask you a question?
Yeah.
How do I become more of a man? Since you're like, you know, kinda... No?
Depends on what you feel like you're lacking as a man.
I feel like I'm just a little boy. How do I become a bigger man?
Work out, read philosophy,
Last round in the half.
and generally try to find your place in the world. Don't care about what others want for you. Figure out what you want for you and pursue that goal.
Thank you, sir. That was like... That was... Wow.
Vendors
No,
Header for 50.
GG's. I'm gonna miss you, Rizz. I love this
GG.
lesson you gave me. I will cheer.
GG's. I'll see you guys later.
See you later, sister.